Pause the video and try this first. Hello everyone, we have a problem and the problem is x factorial over 6 factorial will be equal to 7. We need to find the value of x in this case. So let's start this problem. So I'm going to solve this problem now. First of all, I'm going to do multiplication of 6 factorial on both sides. When I do that, I'm going to get x factorial will be equal to 7 factorial multiplied by 6 factorial. Now we already know that 7 factorial can be written like that. 7 factorial will be equal to 7 multiplied by 6 factorial. When I substitute this value, I will get x factorial is equal to 7 multiplied by 6 factorial multiplied by 6 factorial. We know that when I further simplify this, I will get x factorial will be equal to 7 multiplied by 6 factorial whole square. Now we can easily compute 6 factorial. We know that 6 factorial will be equal to 720. The reason is 6 factorial can be written like that: 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. When we simplify this, we will get 720. I'm going to substitute this value in this above expression. When I do that, I will get x factorial will be equal to 7 multiplied by 720 multiplied by 720. Now after that, I can easily simplify this. When I simplify, I will get x factorial will be equal to 3,628,800. This is the value that we are getting. Now we know that when we compute 10 factorial, it will be equal to the same answer. So this means x factorial will be equal to 10 factorial. So if x factorial will be equal to 10 factorial, this means x will be equal to 10. So our final answer is 10. So I just solved this problem. If you like my video, please subscribe, and also if you have any question related to this, please write that question in the comment. I will give you the answer of that question. And if you want me to solve a similar questions or a different question, please write that question in the comment as well. I will solve that question for you.